Hello students, today we will discuss about the theorem of conservation of angular momentum. तो सबसे पहले what is angular momentum? Angular momentum या इसी को हम मोमेंट ऑफ लीनियर मोमेंटम भी बोलते हैं, मोमेंट ऑफ लीनियर मोमेंटम. तो ये बॉडी इन द रोटेशन डायनेमिक्स द मोमेंटम ऑफ द बॉडी इज कंसिडर्ड एज एंगुलर मोमेंटम. तो रोटेशनल एनालॉगी ऑफ लीनियर मोमेंटम इज एंगुलर मोमेंटम. फॉर एग्जांपल, लेट्स हियर this is x-axis, y-axis and z-axis, and this is will be the origin. We want to find the angular momentum about origin. A particle is present at point P. At this point the particle present and its position vector is r. तो P एक point single point के लिए conservation of angular momentum for a particle. So here a particle P present at P has the position vector r, that is OP. Position vector of P, position vector of particle at P, present at P, that is OP, written as r vector. If we apply a force on this particle such that it rotates about origin, let's in this direction a force is applied on it. This is force. Then it starts moving with a velocity v along the direction of force. Then its linear momentum is v. V is the velocity of the particle. Then linear momentum of the particle is product of the mass with the velocity of the body. Now it is fixed about axis O, then it starts rotating anticlockwise. It starts rotating anticlockwise. So we take the angle between F, yeah, P and R. Let this angle is theta. This angle is theta. So this is the direction of r. Then cross product of r with p gives the direction of angular momentum. So for anticlockwise motion about origin O, the angular momentum direction is perpendicular to the plane of the board and perpendicular outward. ठीक है, तो angular momentum has the direction that is given by r cross p. तो angular momentum defined as rotation of r cross p, perpendicular outward to the plane of board. Similarly, L is r cross p, perpendicular outward to the plane of the board. For anticlockwise motion, anticlockwise rotation. For clockwise, a negative sign appears here. It means the direction is perpendicular upward to the plane of board. That is angular momentum L, given by r cross p. If we take magnitude of L, that is r magnitude p magnitude into sine of theta only. This is the perpendicular component of momentum. So L can be written as r into p perpendicular magnitude of L. Yeah, L magnitude is r sine theta into p. So here this is perpendicular component of r with p. The angular momentum has the magnitude m v r sine theta कह लो, या m भी आएगा साथ में, सॉरी r cross p, that is m v r sine theta, क्योंकि m v for the momentum and that is r p sin theta and r perpendicular into p, या r into p perpendicular. These are the formulas to calculate angular momentum magnitude. Now similarly the torque for the force rotation effect, the rotational analogy is torque, and torque is given by the same as rotation of r vector towards f vector. For anti-clockwise rotation it is perpendicular outward to the plane of board, and for clockwise it is perpendicular inward to the plane of board. So torque has the formula r cross f, and linear angular momentum has the formula r cross p. इन रिजल्ट्स को हम इस थ्योरम को प्रूव करने के लिए यूज़ करेंगे। तो इससे आगे चलते हैं। Now as angular momentum is r cross p and torque is r cross f. Now by second law of Newton, rate of change of linear momentum of a body directly proportional to applied force. तो rate of change of linear momentum dp by dt is equal to f. dp by dt is equal to f. So using this value in this equation, using this value in equation 1, value of f in equation 1, it becomes, क्या बन जाएगा भाई, torque is equal to r cross dp by dt, equation number 2. तो differentiating equation 3, that is a, differentiating equation a, क्योंकि ये टर्म आपको चाहिए r cross dp by dt, ये आ सकता है differentiating by it. तो differentiating equation 3, equation capital A with respect to t, it becomes dl by dt is equal to d by dt of r cross p. So if two vectors are in cross product, then their dot cross derivative will be r cross u in uv rule लगा दो, r as it is derivative of p with respect to t plus dr by dt क्रॉस p एज इट इज. बीच में क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट है, क्रॉस डॉट हो तो डॉट लगा देते, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ ए क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट दैट इज r क्रॉस p, टेकिंग r एज इट इज क्रॉस dp बाई dt प्लस डेरिवेटिव ऑफ r क्रॉस p एज इट इज. ये फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करने के बाद नेक्स्ट स्टेप में क्या आ जाएगा, dl बाई dt becomes r cross dp by dt plus dr by dt, that is v. dr by dt, rate of change of displacement या position with respect to time is velocity cross p. next step में dl by dt is equal to r cross dp by dt plus v cross, that p is mass into velocity. in next step, that is r cross dp by dt plus m बाहर ले आओ, स्केलर एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी यूज करके, v cross v. as the rotation of v, if it particle moving in this direction, then v cross v, there is no rotation of v vector towards v, so magnitude is 0, so it is 0 vector, so this can be 0. तो ये यहाँ से टर्म रिमूव हो जाएगी. आपके पास क्या बचेगा, dl by dt is equal to that is r cross dp by dt बचा बस, and this r cross dp by dt from equation 2 is equal to torque. तो सो rate of change of angular momentum of a body with respect to time is directly proportional to torque applied. It is similar to the second law, क्योंकि in linear motion here the force F and here rate of change of linear momentum. तो force का rotational torque and linear momentum rotational analogous angular momentum. तो torque of a acting on a body is equal to rate of change of angular momentum. ठीक है, तो इसी को यूज़ करके हम थ्योरम ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ एंगुलर मोमेंटम को करेंगे. इट इज़ सिमिलर टू दैट ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ लीनियर मोमेंटम. उसके अंदर क्या था, फोर्स एक्टिंग ऑन ए पार्टिकल इज जीरो, देन इट्स लीनियर मोमेंटम इज कांस्टेंट ऑफ मोशन. यहाँ पे बस क्या हो जाएगा, इफ एक्सटर्नल टॉर्क एक्टिंग ऑन ए पार्टिकल, इफ एक्सटर्नल टॉर्क डॉट external torque acting on a particle is zero, then dl by dt is zero. It means that L is constant magnitude. L has constant magnitude because derivative of a constant is zero. So it is the conservation theorem of angular momentum. According to theorem of conservation of angular momentum, if total external torque acting on a body is, the particle is zero, then its angular momentum is constant of motion. ठीक है. Now find the angular momentum. So take some example to finding the angular momentum. A particle is moving along a straight line, y is equal to alpha x plus beta, where alpha and beta greater than 0. दोनों के दोनों नंबर्स पॉजिटिव हैं, अल्फा और बीटा कॉन्स्टेंट्स ग्रेटर देन पॉजिटिव, एंड द पार्टिकल इज मूविंग along this straight line with a constant velocity v, then find angular momentum of the particle about origin के अबाउट एंगुलर मोमेंटम फाइंड करनी है. तो इसके लिए क्या करेंगे, पहले इस लाइन को ग्राफ ड्रा करो, दैट इज x एक्सिस, दैट इज y एक्सिस, देन दैट इज द स्लोप इज पॉजिटिव, देन और y इंटरसेप्ट, दिस इज स्लोप एंड बीटा इज y इंटरसेप्ट, दोनों पॉजिटिव हैं, तो y इंटरसेप्ट पॉजिटिव एंड स्लोप इज एंगल इज this, alpha is also positive and y intercept is positive, then it taken as sorry अल्फा बीटा दोनों पॉजिटिव हैं, स्लोप भी पॉजिटिव है और y इंटरसेप्ट भी पॉजिटिव है. तो इसके लिए क्या करेंगे, दैट इज x एक्सिस, दिस इज y एक्सिस और that is the y intercept. So slope is theta, tangent theta is a slope that is alpha, so here alpha is positive, so theta is acute angle, that is theta 0 to 90 degree. So this will be the line, y is equal to alpha x plus beta, here this value is beta and this angle is theta. So to find the angular momentum about this origin of this particle moving along, let's say this direction, ठीक है, तो क्या होगा, with a speed v naught, तो linear momentum is mv naught, वेक्टर फॉर्म में लिखोगे, that is mv naught. Now it starts rotating about that direction is perpendicular up inward to the plane of the board, and this value we need this component perpendicular distance from this, that is say let r. So this r value is equal to, that is V naught. So here tangent theta is this, so we need, that is r, let's say this distance is r, this is beta, that is 90 minus theta. If this angle is theta, this is 90 minus theta, or this angle is also theta. This distance is beta, then this is beta cos theta. तो r is equal to बीटा cos थीटा. cos थीटा आप यहाँ से निकाल सकते हो. cos थीटा क्या होगा, cos थीटा, क्योंकि टेंजेंट थीटा अल्फा है, टेंजेंट थीटा क्या होता है, परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज बेस. परपेंडिकुलर क्या है अल्फा, बेस क्या है 1. तो हाइपोटेन्यूज ऑफ द दिस इज 1 स्क्वायर प्लस अल्फा स्क्वायर अंडर द रूट. cos थीटा क्या होता है, दैट इज बेस अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज, बीटा इंटू बेस इज 1, hypotenuse is 1 plus alpha square. So this is the perpendicular distance of motion with respect to origin, that is r. This value known, and the value of knowing the value of linear momentum magnitude अगर लगे तो this. तो इन दोनों की प्रोडक्ट ही क्या होगी आपकी एंगुलर मोमेंटम अबाउट ओरिजिन. तो एंगुलर मोमेंटम अबाउट ओरिजिन हैज़ द वैल्यू magnitude mv naught into beta by 1 plus alpha square under the root, and the direction is perpendicular inward, and the magnitude of angular momentum is mv naught beta by 1 plus alpha square. rotation देखो about origin, this is clockwise. तो clockwise motion के लिए क्या होगा, angular momentum is perpendicular upward, और direction is along minus z axis. Direction is along. Thanks for watching.